What time does the store close?
I think it closes at 9 p.m.
Did you get your tickets?
Yes, I bought them online.
What's the best time to call you?
Anytime after 6 p.m. is good.
How do you know him?
We met in college.
What's the name of that movie?
It's called Inception.
Are you going to the market later?
I might. Do you need anything?
What's the matter?
Nothing. I'm just lost in thought.
How's your new job?
It's great, a bit challenging, but I'm enjoying it.
Can you show me how to do this?
Sure, it's pretty simple.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and hiking.
Did you have a good time?
It was a lot of fun.
What's your favorite band?
I love Queen.
How long is the drive?
About 45 minutes without traffic.
Can you believe it's almost the end of the year?
I know, time flies.
What's the date today?
It's September 20th.
Are you still working on that?
Yes, it's taking longer than I thought.
What's the population of your city?
About 1.5 million.
How did you meet your partner?
We were introduced by a mutual friend.
What's the weather forecast for the weekend?
Looks like a lot of rain.
Did you get tickets for the concert?
Yes, I got them online.
What are you drinking?
Just some iced tea.
How do you spell that?
Computer.
Are you free this evening?
I'm going to a friend's house.
What's your favorite animal?
A dog.
How did you learn to speak French?
I studied abroad in Paris.
Did you hear about the new law?
No, what is it?
What's your favorite type of food?
I love Mexican food.
How long have you been doing that?
For a couple of years now.
Can I have a word with you?
Of course, what is it?
What's the temperature inside?
It's a comfortable 72 degrees.
Did you bring your umbrella?
No, I left it at home.
What's the plan for the weekend?
We're going to the beach.
How do I get to the train station?
You can take the bus from here.
What's the most beautiful place you visited?
Probably the Swiss Alps.
Did you try the new coffee shop?
Yes, their lattes are fantastic.
How long is the movie?
About 2 hours.
What's on your mind?
Just thinking about my to-do list.
Have you ever been skydiving?
No, but I'd love to try it someday.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm afraid of heights.
How do you know that?
I read about it in the news.
What's the best way to relax?
I like to listen to music.
Did you get your hair cut?
Yes, just a little trim.
How was your flight?
It was smooth, no turbulence.
What time are you going to bed?
I'm planning on going to bed early tonight.
Can you recommend a good podcast?
Yes, The Daily is a great one.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I love the winter season.
Are you busy?
A little bit. What do you need?
What do you want to eat?
I'm in the mood for sushi.
What's your favorite song?
Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen.
What's your sign?
I'm a Leo.
How long does it take to get to the airport?
About 30 minutes with no traffic.
Did you hear the news?
No, what happened?
What's the name of your dog?
His name is Max.
Do you want to grab a drink later?
I'd love to. What time?
What's the best way to get around the city?
The subway is usually the fastest.
How was your vacation?
It was very relaxing and fun.
Are you going to the gym today?
I'm not sure yet.
What are you having for breakfast?
Just some toast and coffee.
How's your family?
They're all doing well.
Did you find what you were looking for?
Yes, it was on the top shelf.
What's your favorite book?
To Kill a Mockingbird.
Can I borrow your phone charger?
Sure, here you go.
What did you do last night?
I just stayed in and watched a movie
How long have you been working here?
for about 3 years.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich.
What's the capital of Spain?
Madrid.
What time did you wake up?
Around 7 a.m.
Did you remember to turn off the lights?
Oh, I think I did.
What's the best way to learn a new language?
Practicing with a native speaker helps a lot.
Are you tired?
A little bit, yeah.
What's your favorite dessert?
Definitely chocolate cake.
Can I get you another drink?
I'm fine for now, thank you.
How's the weather in your city?
It's a bit cloudy today.
What's the plan for the day?
Just running a few errands.
Did you check the mail?
Not yet.
What's the biggest city in the world?
Tokyo is one of the largest.
How was your commute today?
It was okay, a bit of traffic.
Are you coming to the meeting?
I'm running a little late, but I'll be there.
What's the matter?
Nothing, just a bit stressed about work.
How long will this take?
About 15 minutes.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
Always be kind.
Are you happy with the results?
Yes, I'm very pleased.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love to read.
Did you find the remote?
Yes, it was under the couch cushion.
How did you meet your best friend?
We met in elementary school.